Greetings children. My mother at 66, written by Kamala Das. This is for class 12 CBSE students. First section of the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain. This is the first few lines of the poem, My Mother at 66. We divided this poem into 3 chunks, and I will give you an explanation of all these parts. Let us check the first part's explanation here. The poet and her mother are traveling in a car from their ancestral home to Cochin Airport. By the side of the poet, her mother was sleeping. Sleeping is indicated through the word doze or dozed, and she dozed open-mouthed. She was sleeping with an open mouth. This the poet noticed. Both were traveling to the Cochin International Airport. While they were traveling, the poet noticed the old or aged mother's condition. She was sleeping inside the car. Come to the explanation. She noticed that her mother's face was like the face of a corpse. Corpse here means a dead body. Kamala thus noticed her mother's face. It resembles the face of a dead body. This realization made her painful. Her here means the poet painful. When she realized that her mother is too old, that really pained her. Look at the next line. That she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at the young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards. This is the second section of the poem that we divided. Let us check its meaning. The poet realized with pain that her mother was at the last phase of her life. She looked as old as what she resembled, a dead body. That is the realization of the poet. The next lines are: the daughter wanted to remove the painful thought from her mind. She looked out of the moving vehicle. She saw the sprinting young trees and the happy children coming out of their homes. This is what she saw outside the car. Here, the poet gives the reader a contrasting picture of the inactive and dozing mother with the sprinting young trees and the energetic children. This contrasting poetic device here used to compare both the aged mother and the active life of the young trees and the children. Once the airport security check was over, the daughter stood a few yards away to take a second look at her mother. Once all the formality security check was over, the poet wanted to take a second look at her mother. She did it. Away, I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winday's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. This is the third chunk of the poem. Now let us look the meaning. When she took a second look at her aged mother, she saw her as colorless. The word wan is used in the poem, and lost the vitality of life. That is why the poet says she is pale. The mother resembled a late winter moon. The simile is significant here because both the mother and the winter moon are at the last phase of their journey. So the simile, the mother is compared with the late winter moon, is very significant here. Look at the next one. At this juncture, the daughter poet felt her old familiar pain. The word ache is used here to represent that pain. That was her separation from her mother. That was her familiar ache, separation from her mother. She would die soon. It was her childhood fear, the concern of being separated. This concern of the poet expressed here, that her mother would die soon. Look at the poetic lines. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. This is the last lines of the poem. Let us check the meaning of these words. The poet could not speak anything at this parting time except her promise of she would meet her mother soon. What she did was she put a smile on her face. The smile is a mask or a brave front she puts on to hide her real feelings. So the smile is interpreted in such a way in the poem. She actually wears a mask to hide her real feelings, a brave front that she puts on. She was not sure that she would meet her mother alive again. At the same time, she felt concern for her mother's inevitable end. That is the simple explanation of the poem. For detailed lesson, the link is given in the description box. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end.